Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room and part 1 of our first fish room tour of 2022.
Kicking off our first fish room tour of 2022, we start with our bedroom nano aquarium. This is a 94 litre, or for the Americans out there, 20-gallon aquarium. This aquarium currently houses 20 celestial pearl danios, 3 white Hercules snails, and 5 zebra plecos. Recent changes to this aquarium have included a makeover with a white sandy substrate and a 3D background. For 2022, we intend to set up a breeding project for the CPDs and grow out our zebra plecos. Overall, we are happy with this aquarium, although better mechanical filtration is on our list of possible improvements.
Moving into the fish room, on the right we have our first 300 litre aquarium, which is roughly 66 gallons as translation to our extended American family. In this aquarium we are currently housing our fork-tailed blue-eye rainbow fish, neon blue rainbow fish, Celebes rainbow fish, Wapoga rainbow fish juveniles, 5 flash plecos L204, 6 peppermint plecos L31, 1 large true flying fox, and our Celebes rainbow fish growouts. Recent changes to this aquarium include a 3D background and white sandy substrate. Improvements planned for this aquarium in 2022 include a better internal mechanical filtration to deal with the pleco wood waste, 5 more flash plecos to grow out for a future breeding project, and an aquarium of their own to separate the plecos from the rainbow fish.
Next over, we have another 300 litres or 66 gallon aquarium. In here we have our best stayer kennelers, our LO66 king tiger plecos, our cherry shrimp, a true flying fox, several assassin snails, and an albino rainbow shark. As you may have seen in a previous video, we have recently revamped this aquarium, replaced our old dark substrate with white sand, and added a 3D background. We are super happy with the way this aquarium now looks, and for 2022 we are also considering putting better mechanical filtration in this aquarium too.
In the corner of the fish room we have a little 60 litre or 13 gallon experimental aquarium. Here we are growing out some red cap cobra guppy cross metal black lace guppy fry. This is one of our better aquascaping attempts, but we will be adding substrate and a 3D background to complement the already impressive design in the new year.
Moving up a level of our terribly made homemade racking unit, we have another 60 litres or 13 gallon aquarium. In here we have a few neon red blue-eye rainbow fish. Unfortunately, we only have 1 female, so I'm only pulling out 1 or 2 eggs every few days, which is a bit pants, so we may have to purchase a few more of these. Again in the new year, we plan to refurbish this aquarium with a sandy substrate, add a 3D background, and hopefully increase the yield of fry if Mr. Aquadiction lets me purchase a few more.
Moving on up, we have our third 60 litre or 13 gallon aquarium that's currently being used to raise various rainbow fish fry and our somewhat rare quilted Melania snails. In 2022 we will also be revamping this nano aquarium to house some Apistogramma agassizii we have on the way. We will then be dedicating a racking unit with a dozen new small aquariums to grow out our various fry, as well as create more room to start several new guppy and lacrosse breeding projects.
Shifting across to our first racking unit and the first aquarium. This is our 200 litres or 44 gallon aquarium that houses our Santa Maria Ennelas and our yellow Neocaridina shrimp. Plans for this aquarium in 2022 are to add a 3D background, as there is no need for us to replace the filtration as we are quite satisfied with the water's cleanliness in this aquarium.
Above the Santa Maria Enela colony is another Guppy Enela crossbreeding project that's almost ready to show you guys in an upcoming video. There are 3 fry drops in here from the original parents, and the first batch is very close to being fully coloured up now, probably just a couple of weeks away. This is a very small 20 litre or 4.3 gallon aquarium that's worked out great for these little crossbreeding projects. We will be buying more of these small setups in 2022 to run more simultaneous crossbreeding projects.
Moving across to the other side of our fish room, we have our 450 litres or 99 gallon display aquarium. This setup has always been our pride and joy, although as you may have seen in the previous video, we messed up not so long ago and lost a fair few of our cyprinids. In this aquarium we have Borneo redfin sharks, red panda barbs, denison barbs, a silver flying fox, a couple of true flying foxes, striped leporinus, and a golden sucking loach. We also have Cambodian logsuckers, a rainbow shark, a red-tailed black shark, and several unexpected new baby panda barbs. We have recently given this aquarium a well-needed makeover, so in 2022, apart from adding 20 fire green tetras and our 3 new panda garas, as the tank is looking a little sparse, we are also going to add a few extra large pieces of bogwood. Apart from that, there is not much else we would like to do to it.
Onto another racking unit, and first up is one of our 90 litres or 19 gallon ultra clear glass rimless aquariums. This aquarium currently houses our colony of green black bar ennelas, several zebra nearite snails, and a couple of refugee Bloody Mary shrimp. Overall, we are happy with this aquarium and have no plans to make any changes in 2022.
Next to our colony of green black bar ennelas, we have just set up a standalone 90 litre aquarium to try and breed each and every one of our egg scattering fish during 2022.
To the right we have our 90 litre community nano aquarium. Current housemates include longfin white cloud mountain minnows, Siamese dwarf rasbora, glow light rasbora, eye spot rasbora, neon green rasbora, free spot rasbora, phoenix rasbora, 8-banded false barbs, high-fin headstander barbs, reed tetras, dwarf hovering zebra loaches, and a couple of very old clown killifish that look very sorry for themselves. We are pretty happy with this aquarium, although the light substrate doesn't work with a number of the inhabitants, and many of the fish would look far better with a darker substrate. In 2022 we may swap out the white sand for black.
This brings us to the end of part 1 of our 2022 fish room tours. We would like to quickly thank all of our subscribers and friends of the channel for your continued support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you. We would also like to wish everyone a very happy fishy new year. Bye bye for now.
Bloopers.
For 2022, we entered.
In 2022, we will also be
To set up a breeding chop. As you may have seen in the previous video, we have recently revamped this aquarium, replaced our old. As you may have seen in the previous video, we have recently
In the corner of the aquarium. Several zebras. Several zebranearite snails and a couple of large rabbit snails to complement the fish. and a couple of refugee Bloody Mary shrimp. And a couple of I swear every time I press record I become retarded.